Good morning, guys. So, today is Thursday. So, this will be our continuation sa ating vlog yesterday. Kasi, walang medyong ganap yesterday. Since the same thing lang tulad ng ibang mga araw. But today, pupunta ako ng clinic for my annual check-up. So, mag-aayos lang ako. Nandun yung dalawang bata. Mga few minutes ago, dumating si Mercury from school. So, pinakain ko na sila. So, yan. Usually, kumakain lang naman sila, nanonood ng TV, and then balik naman tayo doon. So, habang busy pa sila, take time ko ito to prepare para maging presentable naman tayo sa harap ng doktor. So, yung doktor ko is babae. Para, naman, hindi naman against ako sa ganun, pero mas komportable lang ako sa girl na doktor. So, yun guys. Siya yung doktor ko. Nung ipinanganak ko si Zadkiel. Yan. Yung dating doktor ko, sa kay Mercurion, iba naman yung doktor. Kaya lang hindi ko masyadong bet kasi parang napaka-serious at parang hindi pala kaibigan. Yung ganun. Pero ngayon, na siya, very approachable. So, yun guys, yung term approachable. At parang madaling makagaanan ng loob. Yan. So, magpe-prepare muna tayo. So, first, naglalagay ako ng SPF 50 sunscreen. Kasi nabasa ko at narinig ko sa iba, kapag nasa 25 up ka na, kailangan natin ng SPF. Very vital na siya sa ating skin kasi, 'di ba? Nag-age na tayo. At saka yung retinol. So, naglagay na ako ng retinol kanina pagkatapos kong maligo. Yan, guys. Ano siya? Regular lang siya na sunscreen. Copper tone. Yan. Hindi ako pala makeup or may makeup ako pero hindi ako kasing galing ng iba dyan. Para lang, practice. So, minsan naglalagay ako nito, minsan hindi. Kasi parang ang heavy niya sa mukha ko. So, Neutrogena. Pero maganda siya guys. Kasi Neutrogena, meron na siyang antioxidant blend. Yung isa kasi merong may acid na very nice sa face. Yung face ko ngayon napaka-oily. So, ano kaya yung pwedeng ilagay na dry na foundation? Hindi ako naglalagay ng sobra kasi hindi na siya natural tingnan. So, iwan ko muna kayo guys. Tapusin ko lang to kasi hindi ako marunong mag-makeup. Baka matagalan to at mabored kayo. So, yun guys. Balik na lang ako mamaya. So, gamit ko, i-share ko lang sa inyo itong tawag ba dito? Ayan, ito yung gamit ko. Baliit lang siya. Ito yung sabi ng kapatid ko. Ito yung ginagamit ng kapatid ko nung nagbakasyon kami sa Philippines at nagustuhan ko siya kasi kapag ilalagay mo siya sa lips, parang matte lang siya. Parang hindi siya glossy. So, hindi ako mahilig sa mga glossy. Gusto ko sa matte. Yan, guys. Yan. Nalibutan ko yung name kasi ito. Peripera. Yan yung name niya. Shade is O2. So, hindi siya masyadong red. So, parang, siya, orange at red. So, gusto ko nun. Yan. Gusto ko yun. Okay. Yan. So, ito, from Shein din to, guys. Or, no, binigay to ng sister ko sa akin na regalo. And sa Shein din ata ito, yan. May maliit na pearl. Yan. Mahilig ako sa kwintas na gold. And then, ito yung outfit check natin. So, ito, dati ko pa tong order sa Shein. At ito yung pants. Ito yung bago ko lang na pili. Ayan. So, para tago yung taba. At very comfortable siya, guys. Ayan. Hi guys, so nandito na si Claude. So my appointment is 3:20. So going to the hospital will be less than 40 minutes drive. So I bring boy snacks. So para hindi nila kulitan si daddy nila mamaya. Kasi iiwan ko sila sa kay papa nila para hindi naman hassle kay Claude. So bababa na lang ako ng sasakyan. So, nagpack ko ng dalawang Welch na fruit snacks, yung gummies, paborito ni Zadkiel. Ito naman, paborito ni Mercurion, yung cookies ng Pillsbury. At saka itong superfoods na oat bar. Ito yung blackberry kay Mercurion, at saka strawberry naman kay Zadkiel. So, meron din silang gatas. Nagpack din ako ng kanilang bottle at saka juice. So, sabi ni Claude, dadaan lang sila ng McDonald's mamaya habang hinihintay nila ako. So, hindi naman ako tatagal doon sa hospital. So, check up lang. And then, chika-chika. And then, home. So, nag-half day lang si Claude sa trabaho kasi sasamahan niya ako. Ayan, guys.
So, nandito na tayo sa clinic at hinihintay ko na lang tawagin nila ang pangalan ko. Medyo nahihiya pa ako mag-vlog, kaya hindi ako dito nagsasalita kasi may mga tao sa paligid. Katapos ng ilang minuto, tinawag na ang pangalan ko, kaya pumasok na ako sa separate room.
Tapos na guys, ito na siya. So, natapos na tayo doon guys. So, pasensya nyo na hindi ako comfortable mag-vlog doon. Kasi, bawal ata or ang tahimik. So, yan guys. Tapos na. Kung may nagtatanong ano bang sa left arm ko, ang tawag dyan ay Nexplanon. Parang implant siya. Kasi, parang birth control. So, nag-usap kami ni Claude na we're good na with 2 boys kasi alam nyo na ang hirap mag-travel or ang hirap kapag may 2 bata tapos ako lang mag-isa. So yun guys, so kanyang plano yan sa pamilya at para hindi na rin ako hindi kami mahirapan pumunta ng Philippines kasi diba ang mahal ng ticket. So yan, for safety purposes. So, nandito na ako sa waiting area. Nihintay ko lang si Claude. Did you go to McDonald's without mommy? Oh no! Did you cry when mommy's gone? Did you say, Mommy! Did you cry? Where did mommy go? Hospital? Doctor? Mommy went to the doctor. Did you cry? What did you say? Mommy, I'm sorry. That's what you say? Mommy's here now. Did you want to McDonald's? Did you play? Did you play with Daddy?
I don't know.
Yeah. Did you have mommy? Can you give mommy food? No, that's Zadkiel's. Wow. Hi, Mercurian! Hi, Daniel! So, yun guys. So, yung procedure na ginawa sa akin less than mga 20 minutes ata. So, yung ginawa is in-injection na ako ng pasensya na, may sipon pa rin ako ha. Parang ngongo ako magsalita. So, yung procedure na ginawa sa akin ay tinatawag na hindi ko alam yung procedure, pero yung inilagay sa akin is Nexplanon. Yung advertiser nito is Vanessa Hudgens. So, ang ginawa, less than 20 minutes lang siya, yung the whole process. So, ni-replace yung luma at pinalitan ng bago. So, usually 3 years yung kanyang expiration. So, bakit yun? Nagpa-implant ako kasi ayaw kong gumamit ng pills para sa aking birth control. Kasi marami akong nababasang reviews. Mas lumalaki sila gamit ang pills at saka yung injection sa arm. So, ito parang ano lang, carefree lang siya. Nasa hands, nasa arms niyo lang. Pero 3 years. So, mag-expire na ako usually May. Pero dahil May na ngayon, so napalitan na natin. So, walang bayad. Part siya ng insurance namin. So, yun lang yung advantage ng may insurance kasi wala kang babayaran. And ipapakita ko ba sa inyo? Hiningi ko yung old na implant sa akin kasi ipapakita ko sa kapatid ko. Yan guys. Para lang siyang it reminds me yung stick ng lollipop. Yan. Wait. Parang stick ng lollipop pero maliit. Okay. So we're getting Chick-fil-A for dinner. Yes. Yeah. Hi. That's a good thing that so I got the smoothie, chocolate shake. Also, Claude had chocolate shake, and we have their popular waffle fries. I got the deluxe chicken sandwich, and then I also got one for the boys. And Claude has his own grilled sandwich with gluten-free bun. Ang mabuti sa Chick-fil-A is because they have gluten-free options. And matagal na kaming bumibili doon na safe. No reaction, right? Hello guys! So today, may mga lutong blackberries na tayo. So we will pick them. You wanna see? Wow! One. I'm excited. Oh, the one here is that one is. I can't reach it.
Oh, it's a big one.
Yeah, that's the first. Should I?
Full size one.
Yeah, you can have it. That's the. Oh, sheets.
Oh, sheets.
You wanna eat it now?
Yeah.
Okay. How's it? Yummy?
Yeah, bust out here.
And those are
Dewberries.
yeah. But the one that you have is about actual blackberry.
Yeah.
This one is dewberries. The difference is dewberries are vine, right? And blackberries are bushes. Well, expert.
Oh, wow.
So we have here's a lot in here. And the dewberries, we only got it from the park.
Yeah.
And we transferred at home. We thought it's not gonna grow, but it did grow. And now it's everywhere. I'll see if there's more in here. There's more in here. And there's also grapes, but grapes will be flowering soon. Oops. Here. I like this. I like peeking. Hopefully it tastes good too. Then I'm missing the big one over there.
Yeah.
Oh wow, there's more in here, babe. But I have to be careful.
It's chocolate.
Oh, you can take it out. Ta-da! Oh, it's a lot. I guess deers go here to eat some too. This is their food before, right?
I don't know.
Remember we went to the...
When we picked the preparation from the deal,
It's still...
it was still there. It's their food, then they ate it.
But I guess because every time it purple,
Where's it?
we go
Above
here
you,
to
yeah.
get it. I mean, just me. Hold on. You see in the middle, you see that?
I see that. Like a red and purple.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's
right
a
in the
whole
middle. I
line.
see that. Yeah.
It's a whole line of berries.
I'd be tough to reach on it.
Yeah, so maybe not. I will not risk it, but today we have this. We got this so that birds will not eat it. We eat it first. Oh, there's like a caterpillar. You see that?
Oh, yeah.
Is that a caterpillar?
Yep.
A hairy one. So, next time, may abagan tayong, larvae.
You can turn a butterfly.
Yeah. So guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa bahay. Actually, kanina pa. Kumain lang kami ng aming dinner at saka nagpahinga kasi napagod kami sa araw na ito. And dito na muna magtatapos ang ating video for today. And maraming video sa susunod pa. So please consider to like and subscribe to our channel at Katina Marie Story. At if magkaroon tayo ng 1,000 subscribers, I will work hard 200 times more para sa ating channel. And yes, maghahanap pa ako ng iba't ibang content na para sa inyo. Yun guys, abangan natin kung ano pang pwede nating gawin na ikasasaya ng lahat. And yun guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and please consider to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. And God bless.